Hello everyone, I'm JM Villanueva,
And I'm Samson Publico.
and today we are going to talk about math in the modern world, linear function with the Dewey Donut.
So, what is linear functions? A linear function is one of the simplest types of functions in mathematics. It shows a constant rate of change, meaning it increases or decreases at the same rate all the time.
And now we are going to show you a real life situation on how linear function work. Here is the video.
Bili mo pre, tara bili tayo.
Pabili po!
Bili po.
Ano po yun?
Magkano po yung Dewey Donut?
12 po.
12? Magkano po pag dalawa?
24.
24. Pabili nga po dalawa.
Itong pula.
Apo.
Apo.
Pabili po. This graph shows the cost of buying Dewey Donut since one piece costs 12 pesos. The price increases evenly as you buy more. That's why the line goes straight up. It shows that every time you add more donuts, the total cost keeps rising at the same rate. It's a linear function because the cost changes consistently with the number of donuts you buy.
Number 1, today we're making a table of values using Dewey Donuts. Each donut costs 12 pesos. So our rule is total cost equals 12 times number of donuts. Now let's fill in the table. 0 donuts equals 0 pesos. 1 donut equals 12 pesos. And 2 donuts equals 24 pesos. 3 donuts equals 36 pesos. And 4 donuts equals 48 pesos.
5 donuts equals 60 pesos. The pattern is simple. Every time we add 1 donut, the total increases by 12 pesos. That's why this is linear function. It goes up at a constant rate. And that's how to make a table of values for a linear function. So first of all, thank you everyone for watching my video, and thank you Sir Jerome for giving us a chance.